Hi guys, bumili ako ng dalawang NBA Suru Ballers. Tara, unbox natin. So ang price pala nito is $719 sa Toys R Us. Ito na. Oops. So, common siya, hindi siya rare. So, pag rare, tatlo yung package na makikita niyo sa loob. So, pero for this time, it's common. Pero okay lang, it's my first time to have NBA Suru Baller. So, come on, let's open. So guys, ito na ang first NBA Suru Baller ko. Wow! Tanin! Oh! Number 34, Giannis. Wow! Ayos to. Nice, nice. Meron na tayong first NBA Suru Baller, si Giannis. So watch out guys for my next unboxing video. So this one, usually ito yung stand nya, yung court kasama and ball, and then meron siyang mini stickers and then name tag. Yan.